Yes, hello guys, it's good to be back again. My name is Tunde and this is Lapi from YouTube channel. And today we're going to be talking about T&G 13 Bluetooth speaker. How we're going to fix the USB damage port. Yeah, welcome again guys. Today we are going to be doing T&G speaker. How you can fix the charging ports, the USB charging ports, especially if it's broken or damaged. Yes, we are going to show you how you can open it up and how you can bring it back to life. You need your screwdriver ready and make sure you have everything needed. Right now I'm going to lose this up now. You can see I'm losing it up right there. So check, so do all this right now, then you lift it up there. Yes, so there are some gums there. Open it up a little bit. Yes, so once you are done with that, keep that aside. Now if you look closely, you see another two screws there. Lose them two out. Once they're done losing these two out, lift up that side. Yes, once you lift it up, it unveils the power, the charging port, and the panel. So, and you also need to bring out the panel. So like I was saying, that was the part that we got broken inside the charging port. So get your screw ready again, open it up there. So once you open it up again, so keep that aside, so you have the panel in your hands. So obviously, so that place has got damage and I don't have access to another panel, so right away we're losing up everything. Bring out the panel so we can fix, the power port problem. So that is getting out. So here is the panel. So as you can see, that's the panel. So all you need for this is you need a USB cable. Yes, another USB cable, USB 2. So you use this you have to solder it to the panel body. So how do you do that? So you just first to cut the cable to 2, open it up, then ensure that one part of the body is touching that area, that place you are touching. Yes, that place. So once you can, so that is the light that has come up now. So that light shows that it's charging. Yes, that's how you know. So that particular aspect, that's where you're going to take your soldering iron to solder it back to the panel. You solder it back to the panel, and once you solder it to the panel, make sure it's fixed and it's not touching any other part of the panel. Ensure that it's fixed very well, and it can take a longer time for you to get this done, but at the end you will get the results right, and make sure it's fixed. So I'm testing it out now to see if it's done. Yes, we got it all right. So it has been fixed. We got it fixed easily and nicely. So just to be sure again that we're on the right track, to check yes, we are charging. So that is all that is needed, so to charge it back. So it's working perfectly for us now. So all we need to do now is bring everything back together, put it back together, and put them back the way it was, so we can couple it back. But as we're about to couple it back, I noticed that I did not put the cable initially into the cover, so that cable was supposed to pass through the cover, but man, that was an error on my part. So how do I do it? So I have to just cut the wire instead of resolder the cable to the panel. So pass through, I have to use that method to pass through the hole. Then once that is done, I screw it back into the cover. Yes, put the panel back to the cover, then fix everything up again, then cover it all up. Yes, put the screw back, everything that was removed, screw everything back right there. So once that is done, cover it up, the government area, cover it up. So cover everything up. So the next thing is for us to now ensure that the cables that we cut away, so we can use a soldering iron to solder it back together. And once that is done, we cover everything up and see that it works perfectly. So once this is done, we check it again to ensure everything is perfectly done, and there you have it. So it's charging, you can see now that it's charging back. So this is all that you need to fix your T&G speaker once the port is damaged. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned a lot. If you have any query, please drop your comments in the comment section below.
Yes guys, thank you again for staying tuned and watching this episode. I hope you know how you can fix your T&G Bluetooth speaker right away. Then also don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Until I see you again on the next episode, stay tuned.